Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Once again, I'm back with a fantastic topic today. Before getting into it, let me once again introduce myself. I'm Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelist since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Today's topic is followed by funding of projects or funding and financing of projects. We completed that. I'm going to start with hotel properties and industries, capital markets. What do you understand by capital markets, boss? Capital markets comes into the industry, in the hotel industry, but they come with two major factors, two risks. Now, what are those risks? One is the business risk, second is the development risk. The capital markets, while they enter into hotel business or hotel financing, there are a relationship which is developed. There is a relationship which is developed. I always say it is a love and hate relationship. Why love? Because hotel is a business which gives humongous appreciation. Once it is in the market, it starts selling its product in terms of rooms, in terms of F&B, in terms of banqueting, in terms of parties, in terms of my segment. So year on year, it becomes a brand. So once it becomes a brand, it becomes a landmark of that particular location. It becomes the address of that particular location. So automatically, it gets a huge raise in terms of when you want to sell it in the market. So there is a huge capital appreciation. That is the only reason why it is loved. It is a capital gain game. It is a capital gain game. Why it is hated? Because it is the most slowest in repayment. In repayment, it is the slowest because of high cost of operations, a lot of compliances, a lot of taxation. When it is stuck with the higher EMIs or higher debt, then that has to be served. So there is a risk. It is not like your real estate project. A real estate builder puts the plan on the table. He sells his residential apartments or commercial shops or commercial offices and takes the money in quantum at large. But when it comes to hospitality, hotels, they pay you phase wise and it comes slow and steady, wins the race. If the hotel is not doing well, then there is a problem, there is a risk. EMIs always get stuck. So this is how I feel there is a love and hate relationship for the capital markets, for the hotel projects. Now, when the lenders are lending to the borrowers, they should keep one thing in mind, that the promoter or the borrower or the owner, his vision should be analyzed, his business plan should be analyzed, his entire project should be analyzed, and then the lender should take a decision of lending it. Otherwise, he is into a serious trouble because it is a risky affair. It is not as easy as real estate. However, in today's times, real estate also has gone for a toss because of government policies, because of RERA coming into picture. A lot of builders who are non-ethical have just vanished thanks to the government. When it comes to the risk, business risk, we spoke about the cost of operations. Mind you, very important, the risk is higher in terms of as a business risk, because while the hotel is in operations, I have spoken in my other videos also, the owners siphon out money, which is a crime. You cannot siphon out money for your personal usage or for your other business. You siphon out money, then there is a problem for the business. Yes, there the problem arises in terms of business risk. What about development risk? Now, development risk we will talk about when you start your project, when the project is put on the floor for execution. There will be n number of challenges which will come. There will be cost overruns because of whatever decisions. There are so many consultants involved, so the coordination is sometimes goes for a toss. So project delays will take you for cost overruns. If the project is run without a project consultant or hotel consultant who understands the project, then I am sure that project will go for a toss. The cost overrun is 100%, is definite. If the owner is not from the industry, if the owner is not, if he doesn't understand the project, how it's supposed to be done, the project, how it is supposed to be executed. So my dear friends, my dear hotel owners, ensure you hire a hotel consultant who is your charioteer. He will drive you to the right way. Your risks in terms of projects, in terms of development, I am sure it will be minimized. Winding up with this, summing up with this, if you like my video, say like, subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. Loads and loads of videos are already there on my YouTube channel. You can take advantage of that. Everything is available. If you require my service, I am just a phone call away. Drop in a message below. I will have 10 to 15 minutes free phone call with you, and we can discuss and take the things forward. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you.